This is one perfume bottle, and this is cinematic item made from it. 3 AI scenes generated and edited entirely inside CapCut PC with GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0. Surprisingly, but it's not all. A new model, Seedance 2.5, is coming to CapCut in early July. So probably this could be one of the biggest AI video updates yet. As usual, you can find the link in the description below. Let's dive in. Here is the interface of CapCut. There are a lot of features, but in this video, we're gonna talk about precisely AI video and AI image. Press this button here, AI image. So the interface of image generation section looks very traditional. Here is your prompt section. Just enter what you need, choose the model, resolution, aspect ratio. And if you need to find some inspiration, here is a showcase button. And you can find some user cases with a ready-to-use prompt. But in this video, we're gonna generate a commercial ad of perfume bottle. So we already have a reference for our video. Let's add it right here. And now we need to specify our prompt. So I have this simple prompt right here. Choose this button to expand. Alright. And then let's choose the model. The best model for our user case is GPT Image 2. It nails complex prompts and cinematic framing. So let's choose this one. Resolution, let it be 2K. It's sufficient for our video. And quality. While we're generating the first frame, we could generate the second one and the third one by recreating some kind of batch processing. So let's press right here and add our reference button. Our reference once again, paste our second prompt. This one is also very simple, but quite elegant. And then choose the model and press generate button. And let's do the same with the third frame. Here is the prompt for the third video. Alright, we have images generated, and let's have a look. On each frame, we generated several images. As you can see here, let's choose this one for the first frame. On the second frame, there might be this one or this one. I think the first one is better. And the third frame, let it be this one. Okay, we have 4 frames, 4 static frames, just simple images. But now we need to animate them, or in other words, generate a video. How to do that? Very simple. Choose your image, right-click button, and choose image to video. And now AI video section is active. So as you can see here, we added our video. We added our frame right here to the reference, or you could do it manually. And now let's choose the model, Seedance 2.0, resolution. Let's choose 1080p. For some reason, it's free. I like it. Duration, 5 seconds, up to 15 seconds. For this frame, I think 5 seconds will be enough. And aspect ratio, the same. Let's specify our prompt. It's not necessary, but you could do that. And this is my prompt. And let's press generate button. Let's do the same with the second and the third frames. Once again, choose this frame, image to video, and let's specify our prompt. Model, Seedance 2.0, resolution 1080p, and the same aspect ratio. Let's generate it, and the third one. And I like that we could do that simultaneously by recreating some kind of a batch processing. Alright, after several minutes, we've got our video, and let's have a look. Well, I really like it. As you can see, we have consistent product and different music. It's not a problem. We could easily change it or generate the new one, but there is small little detail which is not ideal. This bottle is smaller and shorter, but it was quite obvious because we have this reference image and use it generating a video. And of course, video generator is not informed how this bottle should look because we have only one reference image. It could be easily fixed by generating a new frame with a full bottle, or crop our video right here in a video editor because CapCut is a video editor, of course. Edit the frame like this one. Okay, now we need to choose music, a proper music. Let's choose all these frames and press extract audio. Okay, now we could delete this audio and add a new one. Press audio section right here and we can find something for our video. So this one should be romantic, I think. Okay, let's try this one and let's cut it right here. Split and delete it. A little fade for our audio. Now it should be better. Much better, much better. If you need, we could add transition between frames by pressing transition buttons. There is also captions, filters, a lot of adjustments, and you could do almost anything you want in this video editor. There is also smart suggestions available right here. It allows you to make so-called global edits, make color better, make color consistent, make volume consistent, voice clear, and so on. Seedance 2.5 lands in a CapCut soon, and the upgrade looks huge. 30 seconds clips, 15 references, and next level control. This might be one of the biggest AI video drops yet. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and bye bye.